Welcome back, Rico Money Bags, a channel helping you manifest some extra money to make sure you guys can snatch up some of these BTC, if not one, two, or three. We're going to talk about exposure. We're going to be talking about ASX. This is a money bag alert for today. You guys have been asking me in my private TG, actually public TG and my private one, what is going to be that next banger, that next one that's going to hit really hard. And that is going to be ASX, which will be going live very shortly. I do have the details, the contract address and whatnot like that. Matter of fact, I'll let you guys know it is on Friday at 4 p.m. It's going to be live on PancakeSwap. But I want to go over some of the details of ASX. I did do a video where I do a deep dive more on it. So if you guys want a more detail on that, go ahead and watch that video. But this is a money bag alert nonetheless. And people have been asking, what's the next token that's going to launch, the next hot one right here? And well, ASX is that one right here. So we got exposure to multiple asset classes through single yield bearing token, providing efficient and open access across a number of on and off chain asset classes, including RWAs, DeFi, and venture capital investments. This is where things are starting to change as far as the crypto space with a project and a team like what ASX has brought together. So we got bringing RWAs, holding ASX. I'm going to briefly go over this. The website has changed since I did the first video. So I'm going to brush up on this. We'll check their X page out and make sure you guys like, subscribe. If you guys are bullish on ASX, help me get the word out there by, like, subscribe, share this on X, share this on Facebook, share this video as much as you can, especially in the TG. I see the community is very active, but we got bringing RWA, hold ASX, and benefit from the real world assets, yield bearing DeFi and VC investments held by our flagship fund. We also have to Web3, benefit from all downstream investment funds designed to boost the ASX token and ecosystem. And simplicity. You guys know that I like this because, like I said in the first video, getting reflections in USDC or any kind of stable coin, or even if it's BNB or something like that, or ETH, to me that helps out build buying pressure long term, because if somebody's bullish on your project and they're getting reflections in USDC, why wouldn't they just invest more of that USDC that they're getting into already growing ecosystem that they already love? And simplicity. So we got complete management of the often lubrous and complicated process of the Web3 and RWAs. But this is going to be reflective as far as USDC goes. To DeFi, simply hold ASX and earn rewards in USDC. Like I was saying, the easiest way to earn in DeFi tokenomics. So like I was saying, if you're bullish on ASX, you're going to be getting tokens, reflective tokens in ASX or in USDC for holding ASX. And to me, that's going to create buying pressure in the long term. So this is diversification, which is something I always talk about on the channel. Like I said, I went over all this on the other video, so you guys can check that out. I want to let everybody know that the launch date is Friday at 4 p.m. UTC time. Okay, so keep that in mind. Big shout out to my guy, Ben. So this is going to be, let's make sure we like and retweet everything. Let's start right at the top. So we got this launch date Friday, December 22nd. Keep that in mind. You guys heard it here first. Fresh off the press. I don't even think there's another YouTuber dropping videos on ASX, which I'm sure a lot will after this thing goes live. So you guys heard it here first. Make sure you guys got the bell notification. You guys got the subscribe button lit and all that good stuff. Come over here, like and retweet everything going on with ASX and help me push this to the next level. The token ASX of ASX Capital will be paired with BTC, ETH, BNB, etc. After launch, it will become an index of a bullish market while the flagship fund inject yield into the liquidity. Get ready for Friday. So I'm ready for Friday. Hopefully you guys are ready. If you guys are ready for this launch on Friday, let me know down in the comments down below. Are you looking forward to this? I think this is the next phase that is bullish for crypto overall. When we're looking at some of the things I'm going to show you in just a bit, but let's continue. We got this 5 hours ago. Users who do not have BAB token can KYC with us directly. Just head over to as.capital and click KYC in the top right hand corner. So something that you guys got to look into. Let's go on to the next. Like and retweet this. I want to show you guys some more stuff that we have here. Scroll down just a little bit more. Like and retweet this. Scroll down a little bit more. New investment right here, right? Let's stay active. We got the first ASX VC investment. It's with Portal. Okay, we believe that Portal coin. So if you guys are bullish on Portal coin, you guys want to see a video on that, leave a comment down below. If that comment, get some likes, and a lot of people want to hear about this, then we'll definitely drop a video on this, and we'll read in between the lines, connect the dots, and see where Portal Coin is fitting into all this. All right. Let's like and retweet this. I love the engagement. Hopefully we can get the same engagement right here. Of course, big shout out to BSCN. You know, they've been rebranded. It looks really good. Only 4 days left. So we got that exposure of 1 million followers on this channel. Yeah, 1 million followers. That's epic right there. And ASX Capital is getting that exposure right there. They got some really, really good connections. Like I said, big shout out to Ben. You guys know what was good with Mr. Ben over here when it comes to ASX. So let's go ahead and scroll down a little bit. This is the one I wanted to show everybody right here. So we're thrilled to announce that ASX has come to terms to provide a loan to Golem Capital LLC, Golem, in exchange for pass-through operating distribution from Holy Ridge Townhomes. 90% of all distributions received from Golem will be used to buy back ASX tokens. So that's pretty interesting right there. Looking like possible buybacks and burns. Who knows what we'll do with this. But nonetheless, all that volume is going to make sure that you're getting more and more USDC. Now, this is a token that I'm very bullish on, the overall ASX Capital. This is something that I want to push really hard. You guys are going to see it in the Moneybags Mansion, where we're going to be hosting AMAs, possibly even an AMA with ASX inside that Telegram. So make sure you guys tap in with it. The link is down below. We're going to be waiting for this one, watching the hourglass as the sand drips to make sure we're on top of this one when ASX drops. Make sure you guys do not miss out. This is going to be one of those famous money bag alerts that help people print. Until next time, you guys know what it is.